can eat it.
Eat it. He's usually he's just waiting for somebody to say no.
What?
Hayden was so funny.
That was so funny. Yeah, Hayden was cute. Is that good, Hayden? You can eat it with him.
You can eat it.
Taste it.
Cute.
He's just checking it out, making sure that he can. He's like, man, I'm not getting in trouble.
That look yummy. No. Ready?
Oh,
Can you
let's
eat it?
start the bathtub.
Oh, dump it.
Ready? Look.
He's getting
I also like that. I also like that.
Yummy.
I love it when they
I
just
also
have it
like
everywhere.
that one.
Whoa.
Okay, just a minute.
Cut it. Cut
Just
it.
a minute, okay?
Yummy. Oh, You gonna eat it? Alright. You gonna bite?
Wait, we should grab it again.
You can have some, Hayden. We're sharing.
Please.
Hey, whoa. Why do you want to do that? Okay.
We're in Texas.
Smash it in your
Trying to
face.
make it into
He
a
just
taco.
wants to tip it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what this is.
He get his foot back in it.
Are you done?
Y'all done? All right.